I never had to change for sleep, it changed for me. Daydreaming in a nightmare of wooden boxes and vacancies. Should I shop for those fragrances, or should I buy myself another bottle of that complacency? Suicide isn't fame to me. I was born crucified on ways to be the opposite I taste and breathe. Mouth swollen with a face of bees, the bastard belligerent blotto blasphemer and move for the taste I seize. Somebody drown him quick, look he's stumbling round, he's sick. What's he mumbling now? This clown's a dick. This lift's broken, I can tell for the floor that if hell south and purgatory's trying to settle a score. Fuck the devil, I'm here to tender his shore, beat him within an inch of his life and make him surrender his whore. I'm no pissed off, I'm Glaswegian, it's different. And if you're pissed off, you're no Glaswegian, you're different. Sure, I get barred for clubs, barter drugs, stagger drunk, tag the bus and chain smoke fags to dust. Nearly made it up the road with lunch, but my can of beans bust all down my £3 Primark jeans and such. Opinions, I don't have any, oh aye, unless I've had everything. Opinions of myself, I have plenty. Fuck even my 3 fans heckle me, flinging beer cans while they're screaming, let 'em be. I should have been a cum stain in the couch, but somehow I managed to progress to the worst rain in the house. Yeah, I've got that type of face where you want to bust veins in my mouth, and it's cause I met your partner and she asked if I could bust veins in her mouth. You can catch me at the cabbage patch, acting casual as I know I'm sorry lads, I appear to left my personality at home.
Out with the old and in with the new. Advice that's not needed is just something else that I won't listen to. Listen, you cannot comprehend what I'm thinking, so don't pretend that you know me. There's nothing new for you to show me. I don't have to explain myself, so I won't. We could have remained friends, but you couldn't wait, so my patience ends and I voice a little truth. I had no choice. Hate me if you want, just let me loose. I've got plenty more growing to do, and I know it's not going to be with you. I've always known this, I've even shown this. We are two people, two very different points of view. One talks just for the sake of it, the other because he appreciates what others make of it. The only influence in my decision is you, so stop fishing for a reason. Some of the time we spent together was pleasing, but I've had enough, and it's wrong to stay with someone you'll never love. It's wrong to stay with someone you'll never love. Darkness pushed me over the edge into the land of those that can't be forgiven for messing with heads. Skin to skin, ever since I've been living in sin. I dimmed the bright light within. Pains in my chest strong enough to floor me. Circling a bed at night would never bore me. I can't change the past, time's already told the story. We've walked the pathways of those before us, you see. Because we can apologise all we want, but we can never truly say sorry. We've reconciled in my dreams, but it seems this will never do, as I'm still missing you. Even though we've both moved on and changed, this is true. It makes me so sad. I hope one day I can find a fraction of what we had. I won't be as neglected if I do. My memory's not selective when it remembers you. From the highest peaks to rock bottom, they will never be forgotten. They will never, ever be forgotten.
In summary, I rummage through the relics of relevance. Relegated relatives delegate temple temperaments. Memories of elephants eject, express excess. Carnival of the grotesque reflects my flow flex. No less a man in protest, message process. Convalesce in a recent recess. Impressed operatic rejects. Regress at weekends. We can speak and leave me drinking in the deep end. Tweak a cheap thread and unravel from the reef stems. Translucent text dives drenched in my defense. Conducive to new pollutants, feature pretext. Leaves less integrity to legendary territory. Dial dirty digits, deconstruct, deleted debris. Dilapidated pedigree, heavy red meat. Animated medley of lead and lechery. Eventually retching venom on a spreadsheet. Sketches begging in the rat race, place dead heat. Etching embedded is the recipe for sweat seats. Preaching and preach a deceased heat of dead wood. Get crude if I let you rep cruise as defective from the correct goods. Wreck rude adjectives when I collect food. Step soon, me and Dune croon on a jest tune.
My mother wanted more than this, but instead I faked sick. Never even learned the basics, face red. School kicked me out young, slumming it with base heads. I baked bread, but just made crumbs out my paycheck. This for every ex that wished I would open up so she could take a peek around the broken stuff. I'm sorry, Claire, I never sobered up, stuck on soul destruct, broke as fuck. Sorry, Claire, I never could know enough. I understand that rose is dust, back to earth, my hands in the dirt, searching for missing persons. I wasn't old enough, now it will take more than drugs. Dawn breaks and wakes, making mine is Valentine. Sit back with the 6-pack of Valentines. Damn these rhymes, let's be honest, I've been hollowed out. Stacks of books read, and I got nothing to talk about. I will drink until the day that my forgotten spouse ceases to be the sole focus of my subconscious. I wanna drop it, full-blown alcoholic. I go days without answering the phone, boxed into this apartment, burnt out like the cars in the department where I grew up. I threw up my arms, heartbroken, done hoping I will never get over this. There's nothing more to it, I'm away, so hate me for the sake of it, and raise your kids without any knowledge of the bitter taste on your lips.